Want to limit people who can follow you? I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to hide the Add Friend on Facebook. Let's get started. First, open Facebook. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top right. Scroll down, then tap on Settings and Privacy. Then tap on Settings. Scroll down and tap on How people can find and contact you. Here, for who can send you friend requests, tap on the icon at the right. Then select Friends of Friends. This means only mutuals can send you a friend request. And this is how you hide the Add Friend button on Facebook. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.